Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about why appreciation alone is dangerous. In real estate, appreciation means a property increases in value over time. Many investors like appreciation because if the property price rises, their equity grows, and they may earn a profit when they sell. Because of that, appreciation can look exciting and attractive, especially in a rising market. However, appreciation is only one part of a real estate deal. The real danger begins when an investment only works if the property price keeps going up. If the success of the deal depends completely on future price growth, then the investment may be much weaker than it appears. For example, market prices do not always rise. Sometimes they slow down, stay flat, or even fall. In addition, appreciation may take years to happen, and during that time, the owner still has to handle the ongoing monthly costs of the property. Also, paper gains cannot pay bills every month, and when it is finally time to sell, transaction costs can reduce the profit even more. Now imagine a simple example. An investor buys a property for $300,000 and hopes it will grow in value to $340,000. On paper, that looks like a $40,000 gain. At first, that sounds like a good deal. But suppose the property has negative cash flow of $250 per month. That means the owner is losing $3,000 per year just to hold the property. Over 5 years, those losses add up to $15,000. So while the appreciation may look good, weak cash flow is quietly draining money the whole time. Because of that, there are several hidden problems investors must not ignore. One major issue is negative cash flow, where the owner must keep adding money every month. Another problem is repairs and vacancies, because unexpected costs can quickly reduce returns. Likewise, higher interest rates can put pressure on financing, and if the investor faces financial stress, they may be forced to sell at the wrong time. This is why safer real estate deals usually do not rely on appreciation alone. Stronger deals often have positive cash flow, or at least near break-even cash flow, realistic expense estimates, emergency reserves, and solid rental demand. More importantly, safer deals usually have multiple profit drivers, such as cash flow, loan paydown, and appreciation together. So instead of buying only for price growth, a smarter investor mindset is to buy for cash flow first. In other words, appreciation should be treated as a bonus, not the main plan. It is also wise to stress test the numbers, plan for vacancies and repairs, and avoid overpaying just because the market is rising. Ultimately, hope is not a strategy. Appreciation is uncertain, but cash flow can help keep you safe while you wait. The best real estate deals are the ones that still make sense even without big price growth. When the numbers work from the start, the investment becomes stronger, safer, and more sustainable over the long term. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.